All right, we're back with another pair of Lowheat. A Lowheat collab you can get right now. Don't find that too often. Usually collabs, even Lowheat ones, you got to go to the secondary market. Maybe they're not selling for a ton on the secondary market. Maybe you can get them for retail, below retail, whatever. But usually can't get them from the actual retailer sitting on shelves. So after you see this unboxing, if you're interested, go snag you a pair, And if you found this useful, maybe subscribe. Even if you didn't find it useful, just hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Okay, you already know what it is. It's the Vans, Vault by Vans, Joe Freshgoods collab. A hefty boy box. This is a hefty box, not like most Vans boxes. This is a girthy one, solid, sturdy, very sturdy. We have the OG style 36LX Joe Freshgoods in khaki checkerboard. I got a size 11.5. That's my size. We will see if they fit. I assume so because I'm wearing some Vans skate highs in my size, and these fit perfectly. I love these. It's just some classic Vans skate highs, all white. It's used, nice and lightly dirty. You can't go wrong with that. Cannot go wrong. Any fit, they'll do. Wear them to the wedding. They'll work. At least in my book. Okay, here we go. The grand unveiling. The moment you've all been waiting for. That you click ahead to watch and then you click away afterwards. Don't do that. Stay for the whole thing. It's all great. The full course meal. It's a prefix meal, and every course is great. Hand selected for you, for your palate. Put a lot of time and care and effort into this. As you can see, you got the Joe Freshgoods branding on the side. I got these from his website when they dropped. He did a couple pop-ups, I think, in Chicago, one in LA. And I got these off his website when they dropped, and they are still available. So let's see if they're worth the buy. All right. Ooh, I'm already saying it. I'm already calling it. It was worth the buy. These are nice. I think people use the word fire too much. So I'm not going to say that these are fire, but these are real nice. Okay. Yeah. I'm digging them. That's my first impression. So right away, I think part of the reason they're sitting maybe because Vans aren't Nikes. They're not New Balance, which is all the hotness currently. But these do have a higher price tag for a pair of Vans. What model is this? The LX, the classic OG 36LX. Yeah. So these were $120, which again is more than the usual pair of Vans low tops. But you got premium materials and it's a collaboration. So you got. Let's go over a couple of things here. You got the classic checkerboard on the side panels, but with the Joe Freshgoods initials there. You got a piece of leather for the side stripe. This really hairy suede on the heel and somewhat where the laces go, the eye stay area. Thinner suede or not as hairy as suede, shaved suede. That's what I'm calling it. Shaved suede on the toe box and the tongue. You got this little brown midsole. It comes in 3 colorways if you didn't know. This khaki colorway, and they also came in a red and a pink colorway similar to the box. I really like the red. The red's my color. I really like pink. The pink, but I have a lot of loud shoes. I just needed something. I needed more shoes in my wardrobe that just go with everything. And I figured the khaki goes with everything. It's already checkerboard. I didn't need more pink shoes in my life. I didn't need another pair of red shoes in my life. This will go with more. So I was like, you know what? If you're wearing a Vans low top, you probably need it to go with, something. You're probably toning it down anyway. So let's go khaki. That was my rationale. And I like them. But I also like the other colorways if you're curious. And then you got a see-through gum bottom. The signature Vans waffly diamond gum bottom. So really, really like these. Plus it comes with some bonus laces here Comes with, here, let's see. It comes with this the standard same color, khaki color. They're calling that khaki. I really think these laces are more khaki, actually. But are these different? I think they're different. Yeah. One's more, as you can see, a little bit more off-white beige, and one's a little bit more, I don't know. I don't know. There's 3 different colors. You tell me the colors. Sometimes I'm not great with names of colors, but are those the same? They look practically the same. Maybe it's my lighting. Maybe it's my lighting. Maybe those are the same. I don't know. An alternate pair of laces. I actually think I might use the alternate pair. The lighter, switch it up. I like contrasting the tongue with the laces. That's usually what I prefer. So I might throw these in. Or maybe it's just 1 pair of laces each. 1 for each shoe. That's probably it. Stop yelling at me in the comments. So I have the Joe Fresh Goods New Balance 550s, the Conversation Among Us, the ones that are kind of like slightly light yellow. Those are great. Haven't worn them yet, but I did an unboxing. Check it out. I also have the New Balance 9060s in blue, the Inside Voices pack. Check that unboxing out. Those are absolute fire. I will use fire for those. I can't wait to wear those. Haven't. I did at one point have the 990 V3s, the outside clothes, but just didn't get to. They were too tight. Had to offload those. Those are I think my favorites, but I don't have them. So I was very excited when I heard he was doing a collaboration with Vans, stepping outside of New Balance. I'm sure he'll continue to do work with New Balance, but it's always cool to see designers spread their wings, work with other companies. And so I just don't have enough Vans in my life. I live in Southern California, and I only got these, which I do love. But I figured it's time in my life where I've lived out here long enough. I need a pair of low tops, and what better pair than to get a cool collab pair that not every single kid in high school out here will have. A little bit more adult, a little bit more refined. At least I think so. I think these, again, will go with a lot of stuff. You wear these with your earth tones. I think it would go nice with some like light blues on tops, or vibrant blues, but some light blues, maybe some light greens. I think will go well. Maybe even some oranges. I know I'm just listing off colors maybe, but I'm visualizing it in my mind. Can you visualize it in your mind? Hopefully we're on the same wavelength. I can see what I'm wearing with these. These I think will go with great with pants or shorts. So yeah, let me know what you think. What's your favorite colorway of the pack? After this unboxing video, A, did you subscribe? B, are you copping? I really like them. I would, if you're on the fence, I wonder if like something like that would ever go on sale on his website. I don't know, or if he just takes them down and then just like hands them out. I don't know, but they're sitting there. I would, cop sooner than later if I were you and you really like these. Oh, you know what? Here, let me try them on really quick as I'm thinking about a score to give them. Let me try them on really quick. I'm not going to lace them up for you, but I will try them on. Put them on foot for you, so you can kind of get a see at how they are. Okay, yeah. I think 11.5 is fine. Again, these aren't laced up and I'm not standing up, but I do think 11.5 true to size is fine for any of you wondering. I think they kind of look dope, even unlaced. These will look... I will, now seeing them on foot, I think I'm definitely going to swap out the laces, put these alternate laces in. But yeah, I think these are real clean. Can't go wrong with these. If you don't have a pair of Vans, I think this would be good. If you don't have a pair of Joe Fresh Goods collabs in your collection, I think these would be good. If you don't have a pair of low tops that aren't athletic, hype beast Jordans or basketball shoes or Dunks, I think this is a good option. This is one of those pairs that's great to, if you're kind of newer to the sneaker game and you really only got Jordans, Nikes, maybe a couple Adidas or Yeezys here and there. This is a great way to branch out, expand your collection beyond that. And if you're just like a big Vans head, this is a great pair of Vans to add to the collection that you won't find in the mall, So I think it's great all around. Let's give these a score. I think I'm going to give these a 7.8. 7.8 out of 10. Really like them. I don't think they're quite an 8. If these were Vans High, you know, I really dig Vans Highs. Maybe pushes it into that area, or green, maybe slightly different colorway. But I think I'm going to give these 7.8 out of 10, which is a very good shoe. Very good shoe. It's got this leather lining inside, if you can see. There's the little more cushioned heel, reinforced heel there. So it won't wear away this canvas on the inside quite as quick, hopefully. I think that's the reasoning behind it. Reinforced heel there on the insole. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe.